Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X30 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on it, and if you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can open more options just by tapping on the strange icon in the left upper corner. And as you can see, the first section is connected with the resolution. We've got only two different options from which we can choose. Both are 1080p. And the only difference is in frames per second. Currently we've got the 30 frames per second set because it is highlighted in this bluish color, so we can only change it to the 60 frames per second. And as you can see, all you have to do is to simply tap on this option, and we just immediately got back to the camera, to the video mode, because your device just applied this option, and from now on you will record the videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Nokia X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.